Happy
birthday, Kayan!
Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday.
Kayan!
Happy birthday, Kayan! Happy
birthday!
Say happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, ate!
Louder. Love you! Say love you. Love you!
Say I love you!
There. Birthday! Blow, 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 blow. John, blow, blow. Happy birthday to you, blow. Very good. Happy birthday,
Happy
Kayan.
birthday, Kayan!
Bye.
Hi, Kayan. Happy birthday. What we wish for you tonight is to persevere more. We believe in your potentials, that you will be a good surgeon someday, plastic surgeon someday. And what is most important, Kayan, is to walk in God's light. I know you're such a very good lady. Ever since I know you, sabi ko nga, isa ka sa nagmana sa akin. Di lang sa ganda, sa katawan. But I'm just kidding. Napakabait mong bata simula nung you were bringing up by a very good family with a good faith, and I believe na ano man ang naitanim sa puso at isipan mo, you're such an intelligent young lady that God has in store a very best plan for you. So what we wish is the best, all the best in life that I believe you richly deserve, and most importantly is the joy, the complete joy and happiness that only God can give. And for tonight, do malayo kami ni tito mo, and with the whole family, with Ate Jack, we wish you the best night ever. And I believe your mama, your daddy, and the whole family of Alvarez and Ocampo is celebrating this night with you. May you have the most memorable night ever in your life.
Happy birthday, Kayan. May you continually walk according to God's plan. Continually do the purpose He has in your life. God bless you. And gaya na sabi ng tita mo, you have all the potentials to be great someday. See you and happy birthday. Enjoy your night.
We love you, Kayan. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Kayan. We wish you the best that you richly deserve in this life. You've been such a very good girl ever since na maliit ka, and from us, from Tito Jerome, and from the whole family, we only wish and pray, and we believe that you will get what you deserve, to be a very good plastic surgeon someday. And what else? To be like as sexy as Tita Carla. Just kidding.
Happy birthday! Kayan, happy birthday! Wish you all the best. We pray that you grow up according to God's and do. Happy birthday, Kayan! May God bless you, bless your plans in your life, and may you continually walk according to His plans. God bless you, we love you, and may you enjoy your night, the best night ever in your life, up to now. Okay? Sa wedding day mo, that will be your best just Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, ate!
We love you.
Okay. Kay Ann, yan ang happy birthday from Johan. Oh, go. Tell ate.
Say hi, say hi.
Say hi. Hi, flying kiss.
Just say you say, Ate, kay Ann, I love you. Go.
Greet happy birthday. You greet her happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Kayan!
Kay Ann, what we can only advise is you are such an intelligent lady. Not only very